Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is episode 2 of our mini art watercolor drawings. And today I'm doing the summer, because last time I did like a spring kind of thing. I'm not sure what, probably summer, but I'm gonna go with spring because I haven't done spring yet. I'm gonna do that spring. Yeah, it's gonna happen. So this one is gonna be a green tree, not a pine tree, off to the side with some mountains in the background, some water, because I think water is just so much fun to paint with watercolor. And I'm also doing the full moon because, again, I have 2 more pieces to do with full moon, and then I'm going to go on to the other skies with the other moons to make this whole series fun and new and exciting. What I also want to talk about today is I was thinking about possibly making this a series so that I could make this into a deck eventually down the road. If that's something that you guys would be interested in, definitely let me know in the comments. I take all of your feedback. I love all of it. And if you guys are interested in more of like my other drawings as cards or something, I want to make my art more useful and more fun in a way, not just like, oh, here's a painting on the wall. Fun. I want to make it more tangible where you can actually like use my pieces, like my art in a way. Also, maybe I was thinking about doing my drawings as like bags. I could do them on cell phone cases. If you guys have any of those ideas that you like, just hit me up, hit me down the comments below, and I will take everything into consideration and probably do it. So definitely do that. Excuse me. What you see me doing is I am blocking in colors like I always do, but when I'm doing my techniques lately is I've been doing the layering technique, so I wait for one whole section to dry and then I go over it again with like different sections, because I find that it makes an amazing realistic feel, and it's actually not hard to do. If you guys are more interested in like maybe a draw with me at some point, definitely let me know. Again, in the comments, let me know what you want. I really want to cater towards what you guys really want to see, besides me just having a very, very fun time doing it. When you see me doing the trees there, I never should have done the full sky yet because that made it so dark and I wanted to make the leaves lighter. So I had to keep going over everything so much, which made it be very, waxy, I guess you would say. So I couldn't use my colored pencils over it because I think that's just because of the quality of the watercolors. And they're obviously not very great if they're from a set that I got. Here I am. I'm doing the mountains, and now I'm going again, doing another layer on the tree. The tree has probably like 10 layers on it, but that, because I did thin layers, it was easy to go over with colored pencils, which was so nice. It was like, this drawing isn't my favorite as the first one I did. It's definitely my second favorite, but I definitely do love it, which is kind of nice. I do love it. I'm not upset with it. It's just a little bit different than what I had done before. But there I am, layering and layering and layering all of those leaves. These drawings, by far, have been some of my favorite drawings to do. I didn't think that I would be good at doing landscapes. I mean, I know I'm still learning. I'm learning every day. Every artist is learning something new every day. You're never exactly where you want to be. You always want to be better than what you were before. But I have noticed a huge improvement from last year to this year with watercolor. It's literally night and day. I never would have been able to do this last year. I mean, I'm decent, but like, I'm finally grasping what to do, which is so nice. It's like I finally have like less stress when doing watercolor. It's more relaxing than it was before, which is like really nice. Pretty soon I'll be doing my colored pencils in just a little bit. But anyways, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like it. Literally like it. If you want to see more from me, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Anyways, I love you guys. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.